Hi, Dr. Syracuse. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and I came across your Facebook ad, and so I decided to make you this quick video to give you a few tips that you guys could start applying to get more new patients organically. So here is your website. And it is important to note that nearly 70% of organic leads and new patients come from your website. So it is going to be really important that your website be properly optimized. So we are on your website. You do have a nice looking website. Looks like you have separate pages for each of your treatments and services. So that's really good. That's exactly what you want. Hopefully they have good content and good keywords. Okay, this is good. Local buyer intent keywords, so that's really good. Let's see. A little bit of content, interlinking pages, that's good for your SEO. Okay, so you do have some content, so this is really good. I'm not seeing a whole lot for keyword usage or keyword repetition. You definitely need a lot of content. Google wants your website homepage to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words, and you might be fairly close to that, or more words depending on what your competitors are doing. So you're going to need 250 words for every keyword that you want to target. And you do want to be focused on the local buyer intent keywords, but also be thinking of the keywords a little more outside the box that patients might actually be searching. They may not know that it's a chiropractor they need when they're searching for a treatment for a pain or ailment. So think about some of those other keywords that you could be targeting and driving the traffic to your website for that as well. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of your pages, looking for original content and keywords so that you can rank for them. And then Google can put you in front of the new patients that are searching for your services. One of your top competitors in your area is Pearlman Chiropractic, and they have an okay website. Looks like those are video links. Okay, they do have separate service pages. And that's it. So this website is not fantastic. I think you already have them beat on that on your website. You would definitely have more content, and it's a lot more user friendly. So let's look here. Okay, this is Ahrefs, and it shows us how your website is performing. A website by itself is not enough for you to be found online. It does need to be supported by SEO. And so as we can see here, your domain, your website as a whole, has a rating of a 0 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google really does not trust your website, and it's 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. Not all of these are created equal, so you do need to make sure that you're getting high quality ones that are directly related to your services, and making sure that they are do follows so that they share the high power of those higher ranking sites. And Google is only going to give you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So we look here, you have 3 do follow referring domains. So only 3 of these links are doing anything to help your website. You have been indexed for 116 keywords, but you're only getting 2 people to your website. So it is going to be really important that you work on optimizing and work on those content and keywords. And then you're going to have to support those with your backlinks to rank your keywords so you can drive this traffic. If we look at your keywords real quick, looks like you have 4 of them on the home page. This is a good keyword here. These ones, all of these here are national keywords. So those aren't going to do a whole lot to help you. They might potentially bring in traffic, but it's going to be national traffic that is not going to convert to patients. You might get a handful of local that could possibly become patients, but when you use these type of terms, you're going to get false metrics. So you do want to focus on local keywords. Now your competitor, they have a 21 with only 3 referring domains and 5 backlinks. So this must be pretty good, high-powered domains. And 2 of those are do follows. So only 2 of these links are bringing this much power. So those are pretty powerful links. So you're going to have to beat those 2 powerful links. These guys have only been only has 36 keywords, but they're getting 23 people to their website. Not fantastic. You can definitely outrank these guys, and in fact, most of your local competitors, you should be able to outrank without any problem. But you do have to work on your content, keyword, and your backlinking strategy. And the last part here is this Google My Business section. 30% of people go straight to the maps and don't go anywhere else. And so you definitely want to be in this top 3 for your keywords. And there's several factors to get in the top 3, but the most important are citations, and that's going to be the name of your practice, your address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Dex. So you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow all these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for each of your services and treatments using those keywords supported by SEO. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. I would love to get your feedback, what you thought of the video. And if you have any questions at all, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon.